Today we are doing a simple slippers. I'm using the back beads. I have red and white. I'm using the fishing line 0.50 mm for the weaving and 0.35 for the sewing. I have my satin ribbon for the wrapping of the slippers handle, which I've done that already. If you don't know how to do it, the link is in the description. You can click on it and watch and learn how to wrap it. Let's get started. It's a simple design. I picked 4 of the white beads. So first I picked 2, then I'll pick the red bead. I picked 3. Then this time around I'll pick 2 and pick 1 white bead for the cross threading. And I'll pick 3 white beads. I'll repeat. Then I'll pick 3 red beads. Then I'll pick 2 and 1 white bead. I'll use the white to do the cross threading. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome to my channel and welcome to today's tutorial. Don't forget to like my videos and share for others to also benefit. So we are turning on the 10th bead. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see I have 2 white, 2 red, 2 white, 2 red, 2 white. Then you turn and continue. Like I said, it's a simple design, but very nice and beautiful. If you want to achieve the same design as mine, you have to watch till the end. Don't skip the video. So after the first 2 white beads, you pick 2 red beads. Then I'll pick 1 red, 1 white. Red goes on first. Then I use the white one to do the cross threading. So after they're all red, we've turned. You pick 2 red beads, 1 white bead. The red one goes onto it first, followed by white. Then you use the red to do the cross threading. Then you'd pick 1 white, 1 red. You use the red one to do the cross threading. Then you use 2 red beads. After that, you'd pick 1 white, 1 red. White first, you use the red to do the cross threading. After the second white line, we are going to line it with the red beads. This is our beaded mats. We are having to place this on our slippers. This is our final work. Slippers beautifully made. Amazing design. Classic. Thanks for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Bye bye. See you in my next video.